Let's do a full face of makeup only using Flower Now, but with a twin. I'm gonna do my sister's makeup.
And I'm gonna do my older sister's makeup.
If you want to see kung ano resulta ng makeup ni Chiors, go to her account.
And if you wanna see my sister's result, then go to her account.
Let's go! Let's see what's inside. Ang ispo ko sa makeup niya for today is this look. I'm trying to recreate this look. Gonna start with this Flower Now eyeshadow from Night Unicorn collection. Look at that. I picked this color and this color. Pigmented siya. Siguro kasi maputi ka. Ano ba yan? We're done with the eyes. Next is this blush. Pinkish naman siya. Kahit ganito yung itsura niya.
Yeah.
Mirror face. Show me your face. Uy! Kaya yan! Gusto ko yung blush nandito sa top. So, nalilift yung face. So, I'll go with loose powder. Yan yung itsura niya sa loob. Hindi siya mabigat sa mukha.
Kamay mo, mabigat.
And then, this lip liner. Dulo niya is yung brush. Oh, I like this. Barbie doll. Finish the makeup. Lipstick. Ano siya, may pagka-jelly-jelly. This is the finished look. What do you think, guys? Na-recreate ko ba tong look na to sa sister ko? Rate it 1 to 10. And see you next video!